Good morning, friends. Hello, YouTube. What's going on, everybody? Happy Sunday. Hope you're having a great, chill weekend. I know I did. Looks like we didn't do much over the weekend. Hahaha. Just kidding. So what are we looking at for the week ahead? It was pretty cool. I was just noticing. I went for a drive on Friday, and I came back to 24,144 and 3/4 acquired, so that was pretty cool. I like when targets hit. And then she closed for the high of the day. Pretty cool. So let's go into a daily chart and see what we got going on. Wow, my goodness, that's something. I really like this wick. I do. So 24,000 and half of a dollar there. So basically 24,000 even. Let's call it that. That would be what I'm looking for a bottom for this week. At the lowest. First place I'd be looking for a bottom would be here. And take the previous week's range and just see where the 30% sits. So probably right at my spot. Pretty dang close. So $24,006. So there's a $6 difference, 6-point difference in those two levels. So that'll be absolute bottom. I do not want to see this week touch this candle's wick. Yeah, I want to see that there's a fair value gap in here at the close of this week. Targets for this week. We'll go target 1. Target 2. We'll see what happens, okay? The order flow looks bullish, so I just have no reason to want to counter trade or try and call a top. That's not my job. You just, in all-time high territory, you just kind of keep buying dips and hang on for dear life. Don't be calling tops. We have rate cuts this week. So if we are above the open or near the open for rate cuts, expect a dip. If we are already dipping, then expect a moonshot. But it looks like it's in turbo mode. So if it does come and want to touch this wick on this candle, I'm immediately aiming for this price point here. I don't see it wanting to do that. That doesn't mean it doesn't have to. So I've got my plan of action. I'm aiming for up, looking for a dip. And that's about it. Very simple, to the point, and we'll see what happens this week. God bless you all. Thank you all for joining, and we will see you tomorrow. Peace.